That's how all of us would like our tomatoes. Smooth, sweet-smelling, nicely shaped and colored, and especially full of flavor. But lots of things have happened before that tomato reaches our plate. Because we're dealing with a living and breathing product, we have to create the best possible logistical process from harvest to consumption. In this film, we will show you how we did this in the Netherlands. You will see solutions for problems that maybe apply to your situation. It took us years to get us to where we are now. Our expertise can help you to optimize process stages, in this way reducing losses in the logistical chain. The moment of harvesting determines the start quality of the product that will eventually reach the consumer, as the quality of the product cannot be improved but may deteriorate. During the harvest of tomatoes, their color is important. Too green means too little flavor. Red means riper and more flavor, but the tomato will be more prone to damaging impact during transport. That's why we adapt the moment of harvesting to the final destination of the tomato. Tomatoes intended for the local supermarket can be harvested later than the tomatoes that still have a long way to go to a shop abroad. In the processing hall, the tomatoes are immediately prepared for transport to the collection center. Upon arrival in the distribution center, quality is checked at random. The tomatoes are checked on weight, size, color, and numbers. The flavor is determined by manually measuring sugar contents. In the future, we will automate this process, together with determining firmness. By immediately packaging the tomatoes efficiently, preferably the consumer's packaging, we reduce the handling the tomatoes have to go through. The special packaging material preserves the optimal balance of humidity and temperature during storage and transport. In the whole logistic chain, standardized packaging sizes are used. Therefore, these boxes are not only easily stackable, but also make the most of the available room on the Euro pallet. The distribution centers in the Netherlands are located on geographically well-chosen places, easily accessible by road, water, and rail, and relatively close to the consumer. Decreasing the temperature influences the speed of the deterioration process. The ideal storage temperature for tomatoes lies between 8 and 15 degrees. A temperature below 8 degrees does not do the flavor any good. All product information is entered into the Enterprise Resource Planning System, or ERP. Based on these data, we determine, among other things, how long a product will be able to remain in storage. The goal is to deliver products with the shortest shelf life first, in accordance with the first expired, first out principle. Order picking is done directly from the ERP system. In this way, the employee always collects the right amount and quality of the product. The advantage of unity in package sizes can also be seen here. For transport to the shops, we use trucks with separate compartments for products with different storage temperatures. In this way, products that are sensitive to ethylene can also be kept separate during the journey. This is the way to prevent products sensitive to ethylene from ripening and aging too fast. So, once again, this is how we want our tomatoes: smooth, sweet-smelling, nicely shaped and colored, and especially full of flavor. In the Netherlands, we have the knowledge, skills, and experience to restrict losses in the logistic food chain to a minimum. Make use of that knowledge and contact us